Welcome to Secret Stops, your daily gateway to the most breathtaking destinations around the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we bring you a journey through stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Today we're exploring the beaches of Bali, Indonesia, a paradise where golden sands meet turquoise waters and tropical sunsets paint the sky with unforgettable colors. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of Bali's beaches together. Welcome to Bali, the island of the gods, where golden sands meet turquoise waters and every wave tells a story. Renowned as one of the world's most beloved tropical destinations, Bali's beaches are a paradise for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. Along the southern coast, the famous Kuta Beach welcomes you with its long stretch of golden sand and lively energy. Here, surfers ride the rolling waves, and as the sun sets, the horizon transforms into a canvas of fiery orange and deep crimson. A moment that draws travelers from all around the world. For those searching for something more serene, Nusa Dua offers calm waters and white sandy shores, perfect for swimming and family escapes. It's where luxury meets tranquility, with beachfront resorts and palm-lined horizons creating the ultimate tropical retreat. Venture to Uluwatu, perched beneath dramatic cliffs where the ocean crashes powerfully against the rocks. The beaches here, like Padang, Padang, and Bingan, are a surfer's dream, offering world-class waves in a setting of rugged beauty. Above, the iconic Uluwatu temple watches over the sea, especially magical during sunset when traditional Kecak dance performances bring Bali's culture to life. And then there's Seminyak, stylish, chic, and vibrant. Known for its upscale beach clubs, fine dining, and colorful sunsets, it's the perfect blend of beach relaxation and nightlife excitement. With music playing, lanterns glowing, and waves gently touching the shore, Seminyak invites you to enjoy the rhythm of island life. Beyond the famous names lie hidden gems. quiet stretches of sand where fishing boats rest and local traditions thrive. From the black volcanic sands of Lavina in the north to the untouched coves of Ahmed on the east coast, Bali's beaches carry their own unique character, waiting for travelers willing to explore further. The best time to visit Bali's beaches is from April to October, when the skies are clear, the seas are calm, and the island comes alive with festivals and celebrations. Whether you're here to surf, dive among coral reefs, or simply unwind under swaying palms, Bali offers an endless invitation to connect with nature and spirit. As the day ends and the stars begin to sparkle above, the gentle sound of the ocean reminds you why Bali is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, an experience, a memory etched into your heart forever. So come discover the beaches of Bali and let this island paradise inspire your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking travel experiences across the world. Your adventure begins here. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Bali Islands. We hope it inspired your next adventure and gave you a glimpse of the beauty our world has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily travels. Where should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Your dream destination might be in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.